Okay, so I found the missing videos that should have been used in part 3 of the radiator replacement. Anyway, here's an addendum to part 3. Back to getting this radiator mount completed. Everything's all painted. Time to put it on the car and bolt things together and see how it works. Everything's bolted up. Seems pretty solid. Radiator has a nice movement to it. Now we just have to make sure that the hood fits properly, and I'm going to make side rails over here to fasten the hood down. Another side rail would be a piece like this, only extending all the way back to the cowl. So that's my next project. I'm going to fit the hood on and see if there's any problems. Okay, we got a little too much gap here, so we're going to make some adjustments to the grill shell. Move it back just a little bit. Okay, we're moving on to plan number 3. We eliminated the bar, but I did find out now that by fastening the hood down to the body and tight to the radiator shell, that created another rigid triangle, so that the radiator was probably going to be too solid. So now I've fastened the radiator shell and the radiator with one screw, and I'm going to develop a bar that goes across with a piece that goes this way that will just mount the hood without fastening it to the radiator shell. So I'm in the middle of fashioning this bar, and I'm going to attach a piece like this with a threaded hole. The hood will have a short screw that will tighten right into this piece, and that will be the same on the other side, so that it will draw the hood down tight without putting any force on the radiator shell and bracket and the radiator. So this is plan number 3. Hope this one works. So if you go back and watch part 3, you'll see where all this ties in. If you did not see part 3, watch that and watch this one again. Maybe it'll all make sense. See you next time.